Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer money from PayPal to GoToBank in 2025. Whether you're managing your finances, splitting bills, or just moving funds around, this step-by-step guide will make it quick and hassle-free. With the latest updates in 2025, transfers are faster and more secure than ever, so let's get started. First things first, you'll need a few things ready. A verified PayPal account and a linked GoToBank account. If you haven't linked them yet, don't worry, I'll walk you through that. Start by opening the PayPal app or website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section or search for Transfer Money. This is where the magic happens. Next, look for the option to add or select a bank account. If GoToBank isn't listed, click on Add Bank and follow the prompts to enter your GoToBank details. PayPal might ask for verification, like a small test deposit, so keep an eye on your GoToBank account for that. Once everything's linked, select GoToBank as your destination for the transfer. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double check for any fees. PayPal might charge a small one depending on your account type. Hit Confirm and review the details one last time. In 2025, you'll see enhanced security features, like two-factor authentication, so go ahead and approve it if prompted. The transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days, but with the new instant options, it could be even quicker. One quick tip. Always ensure your accounts are in good standing to avoid any delays or issues. If you run into problems, check PayPal's help center or contact their support, they're pretty responsive. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to seamlessly transfer money from PayPal to GoToBank. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.